What you talking about? Is Jaden Blaze?
Now, Vybz Kartel has not only returned to take over dancehall music, and some artists are fret. We're going to talk about it.
Look who the fuck is back. Yo, spread the word. Top Shatters are back in full effect.
But Vybz Kartel has also returned to take over social media. Talk the truth. Long before we see some artists right now on social media try use social media to further their career or even try or attempt to entertain fans, Vybz Kartel was that artist who was entertain the people on and off the stage. Up to today, some of the most popular dancehall interviews is that of Vybz Kartel. Now Vybz Kartel take over TikTok. Let me so I go and do continue reasoning. Look and listen.
What that over my head? That
there. Oh, they. Oh.
Yeah, they noticed something there.
Oh, they can like join your team. Like they.
Okay.
But I don't know about live reading. I just know basics.
Bless up in a Gaza nation. I don't know, you know. My first live, one done in overdrive. No, it go. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Gaza nation. We out here.
We're getting loads of gifts.
Big up to the fans. Big up to Gaza citizen. What you mean? That's a thing there. John, what you mean? Oh, so I just say it works so them can't see me.
They can see and hear you. They should be able to hear you.
Yeah, man, I think the volume. Yeah.
I'm sure they'll answer if they can hear us.
Yeah, man.
But yeah, look, you've got gifts. You've got 19, 10, what is it?
What does that mean?
So look.
Now we hear from good sources. Artists are fret, artists are wonder, artists are worry. Maybe only some of the younger entertainers who become popular after Vybz Kartel incarceration just a look, and some of them just glad to see a legendary icon will inspire them so much in a music get released. Some of them are hope for a feature, some of them are hope for a link up, as it should be. And Vybz Kartel already reach out to a whole heap of them young entertainers. They only might not hear the song them yet, but Vybz Kartel has already made them know. So watching man, una the good music. I like the music we una put out. Continue doing good music. Yeah man, teacher reach out and link up with a whole heap of them. But the artists them we are afraid. You have some whole heap of artists who they believe say Vybz Kartel never did get released. Yeah man, whole heap of them they believe say Vybz Kartel never did get released. And know that he has been released, they don't know how to react. Of course, I'm going to pay them respect. Because remember, people who are fans of their music, fans of dancehall music, people who support them in the media for them stage show and then they get booked for showings, are fans of Vybz Kartel. So they have to know them do. Of course, they have to pay them respects. Not for them know Vybz Kartel do for music too. Remember, I say artists who travel outside of Jamaica's borders means that even in the Caribbean, me not talk about in a North America, in a Canada, or in a Europe. Even if you're going to the Caribbean, what you can see is the impact that Vybz Kartel has had on dancehall music. The fact that dancehall music is at the level where they are because all artists continue to put in the work. But what we can say is, if you're going to talk about a standout artist in a dancehall music, a Vybz Kartel. Now, we have some people that talk about who have the hottest song for the summer and who are going to be the summer song. Vybz Kartel get released. And when I hear nobody talk about hottest summer song and who are going to put out hottest summer song again. People are waiting for Vybz Kartel music and the music video them. That are all dancehall music are waiting for right now. Social media at the moment right now, every turn Vybz Kartel turn, people want to see, people want to know, people are check it out. This is a living legend. What they may talk to my sister in the UK. When Vybz Kartel get incarcerated, she a toddler. Vybz Kartel get incarcerated, me I go to school. She a toddler. What day when Vybz Kartel get released and she called me, she say, yo, brother, bro, has teacher been released for real, bro? And me I say, yeah man. And me I say, what the impact and what the vibe in the UK right now? She said there is no dancehall artist like Vybz Kartel where she has ever heard, or where nobody from fear generation has ever heard. Meaning say in this day and age, Vybz Kartel has managed to connect with a future generation. Talk to me in the comment section and tell me if you know what I say I like. Now, we talk about king of the genre and of dancehall. I will talk about the artists that have been crowned. Yeah, King Yellowman was crowned. If you big up King Yellowman. Other than Kartel, King of dancehall recognized a King Yellowman. But we never did it. Our generation never did it. For this generation of music, can anybody even attempt to dispute if Vybz Kartel are the king of dancehall music? We see one heap of other entertainers, popular and prominent entertainers, released from incarceration recently. And of course, people support, people are glad for them, people happy to see them. The reaction we see across Jamaica and then across the wider world, it is undisputed. Vybz Kartel are the king of the dancehall genre. We don't want to hear nobody else talk about no king this. And unless they must say it like, you know what I mean? They must say it. But if we are talking about the actual king of the genre of the music, a Vybz Kartel, undeniably, that is undisputed. That was the facts of what going on right now. Talk to me in the comment section and tell me if you agree. Because what we see right now is other entertainers in the dancehall music. I watch what them say and how them say it right now. Because they know so the king there. And I like one time when King was behind the bars and them are hype and saying we the on stage show. Because it's not that them was any more popular than Vybz Kartel while Vybz Kartel was incarcerated. It's not that the fans they love them more while Vybz Kartel was incarcerated. But what them not talk about is the fact that they are their freedom and their ability to go up on stage shows and get booked and Ray. And what I also say with that is, why during that time they never raise the bar and bring dancehall to the higher heights? All we hear them other artists that were there that do a complain about all them youth we are sing music and Ray, this and that. That's because the fans now really connect with phone music no more. And they more connect with these younger entertainers. Remember, we are talking about a different generation. Remember, every couple of years you have a new generation away become the dominant generation at that time. In the dancehall right now, are the younger generation are dominating, not just from the artists, but even from the patrons then. So of course you have to find and make music we have a connect with a different generation. Some of them other artists are from Vybz Kartel time can't do it. Vybz Kartel the only artist that we see generation after generation still. Remember we are telling about some of them artists that were right now the music right now, them a go to school and listen to Vybz Kartel. Skilly Bang tell you. Say I go to school cartel music in our ears. See all of we of this generation. We don't go to school of cartel music in our ears. And right now, Vybz Kartel are still the most creative artist. Most flow. Different cadence. Sing by any rhythm. Make music out of any topic. A Vybz Kartel alone. And as I say, right now we do go on social media. Vybz Kartel has again found a way to connect with the fans using the media. Vybz Kartel is one of them artists from early out where they see the importance of connecting with fans. Whether that be, he make sure say as big as he was, he still go to certain events when he made their road. Still go show him support to certain people, certain promoters. Still pass through certain events, connect with the fans, fans see them. Remember they have him own club at one point in time. And that's something we also look forward to see the different businesses where Vybz Kartel can create out of the music industry. Because we are look forward to see it. The clothing brand, them do what? We are look forward to see it. Alright. Yeah man, remember Vybz Kartel had major plans before incarceration, business wise, with certain things where him could still do it from behind the bars, but with freedom being a focus, him feel like it was best to go and focus on them thing there. Not in their road. As long as I look forward to see all the different products they may make. You know what I mean? All the different things, them all the different ventures they may bring forward Because we know I'm going to bring forward some whole heap of things. The grabber out there right now. You know what I mean? The Fire Vybz grabber it out there right now. So, you know what I mean? North America, all them place there, it's already a ship. You know what I mean? So, that's already a good look. Tell me if you talk to me in the comment section if you're new to the channel as I pass through. Well, me that's a subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and both a share. And tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section open 24/7. It never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there, and we can continue reasoning from right. So now a quick recap. Vybz Kartel has not only returned to dominate dancehall music, but is also dominating social media once again. Just like before, Vybz Kartel was that artist where, as I say, on and off the stage, him still entertain and connect with the fans. And to the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper, and for to stay tuned.